Latest research and development. 1. This tiny spacecraft could race to a black hole and rewrite physics. 2. Giant Einstein ring reveals one of the universe's biggest black holes. 3. Chiplet technology becomes Sandia's secret weapon for AI and quantum. Once a dominant force in chip making, the United States has watched its lead slip to other nations, but Sandia National Laboratories is on a mission to reverse the trend. 4. Scientists may have found the ultimate dark matter detector. Physicists are harnessing thorium-229's unusual nuclear properties to develop an ultra-precise, nuclear clock capable of detecting forces 10 trillion times weaker than gravity. 5. Glaciers are changing Earth faster than you think. Glaciers, nature's slow-moving sculptors, are reshaping our planet in ways we can now measure with unprecedented precision. 6. Deep-sea fish are secretly shaping Earth's carbon cycle. In the dark depths of the ocean, scientists have confirmed that deep-sea mesopelagic fish produce carbonate minerals just like their shallow water relatives. 7. Earth's oceans are boiling, and it's worse than we thought. In 2023, the world's oceans endured the most extreme and prolonged marine heat waves in recorded history, with some lasting over 500 days and covering nearly the entire globe. 8. 2.5 million lives saved, the untold story of COVID vaccine's global impact. Between 2020 and 2024, COVID-19 vaccines saved an estimated 2.5 million lives worldwide, equivalent to preventing one death for every 5,400 doses given. 9. Some brains stay sharp thanks to a plaque-eating immune cell that fights Alzheimer's. UCSF researchers have pinpointed a crucial brain receptor that helps immune cells called microglia clear out toxic amyloid beta plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease. 10. This little-known amino acid could be the secret to rapid weight loss. New research reveals that reducing cysteine, an amino acid, can flip fat from storage mode to calorie-burning mode. 11. Scientists uncover hidden brain shortcut to weight loss without the nausea. 12. New American Heart Association Science Advisory reviews current evidence about UPFs and their impact on adverse health outcomes and outlines opportunities for research, policy and regulatory reform to improve dietary intake and overall health. Thanks for watching this video.